Welcome back to the channel for another vlog, guys. What's up? How the Christmas spirits and how everything going on with y'all? Christmas preparation and on a tree and everything, and we're not gonna show them for Christmas dinner, all of that. Who are comment down below and let me know, just let me know. All right, yeah. So it's dinner time. It's Saturday night. Yeah. So me want steam fish and crackers, them no want that. Them want them fry as usual. So that's what me go prepare for myself. So just like carrying in the kitchen with me. Yes, I'm gonna see what me I do. Alright guys, yes. So guys, after I wash my fish with vinegar and lime juice, to cut the rawness, I go ahead and season it. So I put like black pepper and salt and all-purpose on the fish before I put it in the pot, guys. So I'm just seasoning in and outside of the fish before I go ahead to put the fish in the pot. The pot is not hot yet or anything like that. Just a season it and then season it in another plate, and then I'm gonna put it in another pot and continue seasoning it while I cook it. So here's the ground seasoning that I'm going to be using. I'm using thyme, pimento seed, garlic, tomato, and onion. Mind you, you can use whatever seasoning that you choose to use on your fish. Me, the one to use them one day, so me use them one day. All right, guys. Yes. So the stove not turn on yet. Me just lay the fish in the pot, and then I'm gonna throw some water inside of the pot. Okay, guys. Yes. Then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my ground seasoner inside of the pot. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some more seasoning in the pot. Turn on the pot and start to steam my fish. Mind you, you can steam fish however you choose to. Alright, there's no right way and no wrong way as long as it turn out with that fabulous taste. As well as you could use anything to steam the fish. You could go ahead and you could use cut up some Irish in there, or you could cut up some carrot in there, whatever you choose, whatever you like. All right, it was nice. I just wanted some steamed fish and crackers. So because I'm gonna put the crackers in there, I'm not bother with all them fancy, just the one steam one fish for eat with some crackers. All right, guys. Yes. So I just do it the simple, easiest way. Yes. So, and of course, you can either use oil or you can use butter. Okay, guys. Yes. So after I light the stove, I use garlic powder, salt, or just a little pinch of salt, because you know I was going to put half pack of noodle in there. So make sure you don't use a lot of salt if you're gonna do that. Okay, because I already put some salt inside of the fish. So I use just a little pinch of salt, my black pepper, and garlic powder, and I use just a little cup full of oil over it. Yes, guys. Then I cover the pot and let it go on steam for like a minute or two. There I go. I'm showing you what it's looking like. Make it go on steam for a minute or two, and then I put in my noodle inside of there. You can choose to put noodle in there. Yes, I know. Like I said, it's whatever you like, okay, or whatever you feel for. You can steam fish many different ways, okay? There's no right or no wrong way, as long as the taste turn out exactly how you want it to. All right, yeah. So I'm putting my noodle now inside of them, and of course a little tip more of water inside of there. Okay, yeah. Me give it a little stir and then a little taste test to make sure say everything was tasting exactly how I wanted it to. Not too salt, just right and taste good, and the fish well seasoned and the taste turn up inside of it. Okay, yeah. And you can also steam your fish with pumpkin. Dice up pumpkin and put on it. You know, like I said, it's whatever you like or whatever you have at the moment and you want to use. You can go ahead and do that, okay? Yeah. So I just choose to do it this way in the night. Just a quick meal. All right, yes. So there I am. After about another 2 to 3 minutes, I just test if the fish is cooked before I add in my crackers in there. Kind of, you just like to put the crackers in there and then just turn it down and just make it stay for like a minute or two. All right, you don't want the crackers too soft. You want it soft with a little crunch in it. That's how I like it, by the way. All right, yes. So yeah, I'm just turn it down. Yeah. Okay, you don't need the fire to be too high. All right. Yeah. So I'm showing you what it's looking like at the moment. All right, guys. Yes. So make a shell down that right about now. Yeah, there it is, all done. No steam fish not take too long for cook, for steam I should say. Yeah. So I have some more crackers. So if me eat off them there, I'm a feel for little more. May have enough nice steam juice there to put some more in. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog and tell me what you think. Bye now.